Hey, it's James here from Kimbley IT. In this video I'm going to show you how you can export reports in Xero directly into Google Sheets. We have a lot of accountancy clients, but some of them weren't aware of this feature, so I figured a lot of people might not know about it. So here's the video to show you how to do that. Export a report in Xero to Google Sheets. So here we are, we're looking at a demo company here in Xero, and if you go to the accounting option, you'll see you have lots of reports under here that you can select from. If we click on, say, profit and loss, that will load up the profit and loss report, and there'll be an option here. It's kind of hidden, but you can export this directly into Google Sheets. All you have to do is, once the report is open, click export in the bottom right hand corner, then click Google Sheets. A new tab will open. It may ask you to sign into your Google account if you aren't already signed into it. Then after a few seconds, the report should open in Google Sheets like it has now. So there we've got profit and loss directly exported into Google Sheets really easily for me to go and manipulate and do whatever I want to do on this data inside Google Sheets. Maybe I want to share it out with somebody, but I can do that directly, and that's how you do a report, get a report from Xero into Google Sheets. Now, not all reports have that option, but quite a few do. So always have a look, because it's worthwhile if you want to quickly get that data into Google Sheets.